Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is your Modern Tech Breakdown. Today I'm taking a look at Stack Overflow's latest developer survey results. Let's jump into it. So the most interesting topic in the survey is about usage of AI, and it's a little bit of a mixed bag. While 80% of survey respondents are using AI tools, their trust in the accuracy of those tools has dropped from 40% last year to 29% this year. And what I think is interesting is that this drop has occurred over the last year, which has been filled with headlines about how this is our most advanced model ever from a variety of AI companies.
This personal intelligence system is comprised of highly capable large language and diffusion models.
We're introducing new state-of-the-art AI models running locally.
Recall is powered by state-of-the-art AI models.
Since then, we introduced the first Gemini models, our most capable yet.
It's our most capable image generation model yet.
So I guess AI models have been getting better and better, but yet developers are trusting it less and less? I think the hype is starting to wane a little bit. But the survey sheds a little bit of light on this issue. The problem is that AI tools are spitting out code that looks almost right, but it isn't. So the tools get the assignment mostly correct, but yet it's off a little bit. And I think it's a problem because it might take a developer just as long or longer to scan through an AI-generated piece of code looking for errors as it does to write it from scratch. So I think this aspect of AI is definitely a limiting factor on its usefulness. However, if you look on the positive side of the survey, 69% said that they've seen an increase in personal productivity, which really does make sense. These tools are certainly useful, but definitely not a substitute for a human developer, at least at this point in time. And moving away from AI just a little bit, I always find the changes in language usage interesting, but not a real big change for this year. There's been a modest rise in Python, Rust, and Go, but that's not all that surprising. And a little bit of good news for a lot of the folks in the audience. It seems that the median pay for developers has also gone up, which is good news, but also pushes back on the AI is going to eliminate all developer jobs narrative that you always read about. But if you take all this into account, I don't think the AI apocalypse for developers is here yet, but ironically, AI might kill Stack Overflow first. Here's a chart from a previous video that I did. I think AI tools certainly have taken away some of the volume of questions that Stack Overflow has been getting. Hopefully they can manage this fluctuation, as Stack Overflow is still a very useful tool for a lot of developers out there, and it would be a loss to lose such a good resource. But that's all I have on this one for today. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you next time.